Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why Japan decided to attack Pearl Harbor on that fateful day of December 7, 1941? Let's dive into the full story behind this pivotal moment in history. First off, Japan was in a bit of a bind with its resources. With limited natural reserves and heavily reliant on imports like oil, the US's sanctions, including a critical oil embargo, really cornered Japan. This pushed them to think aggressively about securing more resource-rich territories in Southeast Asia and the Pacific. Now, Japan wasn't just thinking about expansion, they were also strategizing about how to do it without American interference. They saw the US Pacific Fleet in Pearl Harbor as a major obstacle. So what did they do? They adopted a preemptive strike doctrine, believing that a surprise attack would cripple the American naval power, giving Japan a free hand in the Pacific. But why was America caught off guard? Well, there were a few reasons. Many in the US military underestimated Japan's capabilities and intentions, expecting any attacks to be focused on American interests closer to Japan, like in the Philippines. Also, there were crucial intelligence failures. Despite some signs pointing to Japan's plans, these were either misinterpreted or not taken seriously. The attack itself was devastating. It resulted in significant loss of life and damage to the US fleet, propelling the US into World War II. This was a major turning point not just for America, but for the entire war. The unity and resolve it fostered among the American public were unprecedented. However, this aggressive move by Japan was actually a strategic error in the long run. America quickly mobilized and rebuilt its naval capabilities, including those crucial aircraft carriers that weren't in Pearl Harbor during the attack. This resilience allowed the US to launch counteroffensives that would eventually lead to Japan's defeat. So, in summary, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor to secure its strategic objectives and caught America unprepared, leading to significant ramifications in World War II. The event not only changed the course of the war, but also marked a significant shift in global power dynamics, highlighting the unforeseen consequences of military actions. Thanks for tuning in.